Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on Facebook. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So basically blocking someone on Facebook is once someone cyberbullying you or having anything that you don't want him to do, or it is suspicious account, you can block him. Now if you accidentally blocked a friend or something, how you can unblock him, I'm going to show you how. So first of all, you're going to launch up Facebook. From Facebook, you're going to go onto your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now, from there, you're going to scroll down until settings and privacy, and then you're going to click on settings. From there, you're going to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down all the way until something called blocking. Now, from blocking over here, as you can see, these are the people that you blocked. And once you click on him, you can actually unblock him. But you need to remember that if you do unblock someone and you want to block him again, you need to wait 2 days or exactly 48 hours so you can block him again. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.